Naya, huelo. Thank you. Asambe nani. Asambe dad. Asambe my sweet ass. Liyanyathela. Wala di nandi. Mimi sala. Ngeke ungenze next. Hello. Siyaku-cancelling manje ne? Nkosi yami. Aja Nandisi. Hayi bonandi. Yes. Hola. Love you my Nandi. See you. Singaphuma mina ngiyohlala emotweni. So bafana.
In a video that went viral this week, Nandi Nyembe was begging the public for help because she had spent all her savings on her son, which cost 88,000 rand. She did not disclose her son's medical condition. Her plea resulted in Gayton McKenzie, the Minister of Sports and Arts and Culture, donating 20,000 rand from his personal account. Nandi Nyembe stated that 2 individuals have sent her 2,000 rand, being Winnie Chaba, who appears in House of Zwide. Nandi Nyembe is sad because people in her industry do not get pension, fund, or even royalties. Nandi Nyembe is saying, I just want to work. Give me a script and I'll show you what I have got.
No, thank you. I'm in Cape Town. Please give that young lady there, that is there, give her your bank details, not somebody else.
Okay.
This is not a ministry. This is Kapiliaka. This is just from me, Mama. Yes, it's not from the ministry. I see the government. Kita tlo bona in 2 weeks, maar kita romela ntwenya. E ka farang fela until ke fita mat. So for 2 weeks. Equale fela. Until ke fita la. Ke tel ke fita. Ha ke fita, kita lukisa dintho wohle ka fela. Maar for now, fara fela so move yone ke ete before ra votela ko parliamenting. Kita tlo check. Maar Leone unke ube one side for dumpling li nama ha ke fita mani ke rata nama.
Onandilo abamasiyo abazange bambona Unandilo abamasiyo abazange bambona Unandilo abamasiyo abazange bambona